Hi, welcome back to our channel. It's so great to come back creating YouTube video again. We haven't been updating our YouTube video for quite a while. And today I would like to walk you through some of the updates in our workshop and also show you a process of making a custom order.
Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood, but life can be this good.
The changes I'm pretty excited to share is the expansion of our letter options. Previously, our main product is made with Crazy Horse leather. Now we're expanding to Prabro vegetarian leather and also very special horse butt leather, which is shell cordovan. Have more designs and more items, more leather products. The drawers are filled with all the different dyes we have. Now let's take a look. This one. Also, this table is specially made for our clicker press machine. Previously, our clicker press machine is kind of squeezed in between very narrow space. It actually limited how much work we can be doing at the same time. Right now, with a specially made table and special installment that made by Michael and my father-in-law, they work together to create this. So right now it's convenient, very smooth and seamless. Time to go back to our order. I have a red leather wallet, has been my favorite forever, well beaten, had over a decade, and have hand stitched it back to life at least twice. The leather we're gonna use is our Crazy Horse leather. This is the red. It will give the leather more of a rustic look. I think the only thing that I'm not really sure about the magnetic clip.
My name is Domino. I make leather items. Together with my husband, we built a brand called Craft and Antler. Today I'm gonna make a leather item. It is a project for a custom order. First, I'm gonna disassemble the card holder sent from the customer. The customer wants to keep the buffalo nickel and magnetic installment. The original wallet is filled with paper layers. I'm gonna swap them with our vegetarian leather, and the outside layers are gonna be made with Crazy Horse leather in red.
So I finally finished cutting out all the layers, preparing all the layers. I'm ready to make the final product. It took me a little bit longer to cut out different layers to fit in the little circle, the magnetic square, and also the circle. I need to use a Cricut machine to help me create it, the perfect circle. So with everything ready, I'm gonna prepare the different layers and then assemble it together. I'm excited.